Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. In this video, we are going to run our fourth program. So let us look at the program. Write a program to print the circumference of circle. So we know that circumference of circle is given by c equal to 2 pi r, where pi is constant and its value is 22 by 7 and r is radius of the circle. We have circumference c equal to 2 pi r. This pi is constant and its value is 22 by 7 and this r is radius of the circle. And this is what? Algebraic expression. But first of all, convert this into QBasic form to print the program. C equal to 2 asterisk, that is into 2 into pi into r. So let us look at the program now. In first CLS, so to print the circumference of circle, we need the value of pi and the value of r, that is radius of circle. So pi, we use const constant pi equal to 22 upon 7. This is the value of pi. Then we need the value of r. So we use input command. Input enter your radius is r. So after input, write the formula. Then circumference c equal to 2 pi r. Then after processing, we use print command. To print the statement. So here our statement is to print the circumference of circle is what? C. Then last end. So run the program. So enter your radius. Suppose radius is 2. So circumference of circle is 12.57. So this is our required output. So save it. Click on file. Click on save and write circum.bas. So this is our program to print the circumference of circle. Thank you for watching this video.